Today's engines rely on precise fuel delivery and airflow to operate at peak efficiency. Over time, carbon deposits can build up inside the fuel system, restricting airflow and fuel delivery while reducing performance and fuel economy. GAP Performance Fuel System Service helps remove these deposits from critical engine components, restoring proper airflow and fuel delivery while helping maintain injector performance over time. The result? Improved engine performance, better fuel economy, and a smoother driving experience. If your vehicle is in for regular maintenance today, a GAP Performance Fuel System Service can help keep your engine performing at its best. And for added peace of mind, when performed every 25,000 kilometers, your fuel injectors are covered for up to $5,000 under GAP's Lifetime Protection Plan. Ask your service advisor if GAP Performance Fuel System Service is right for your vehicle.